Hello, this is Charlie Couchain. Let's take a tour of Hardee Lakes Park, located in Bowling Green, Florida. It's a beautiful 1,200-acre park with 4 huge lakes. It's great for fishing and camping. Here's a good look at the overall park layout showing the 4 lakes and the campground, which is nestled about in the middle, that shows all the different sites along the water and a little bit more inland. It's about a 1.5 mile ride into the campground, and you follow the road along the edge of the lake where there's lots of sites, and then there's a few sites where ours was a little bit more inland, and these were nice as well. Here's our site nestled among the palm trees and pine trees. It was beautiful. Where the camper is in this view is the dump station and the trash. As you follow around, you see there's all kinds of activity along the water's edge. This view is showing the boat launch area with a rentable pavilion. It's a beautiful boat launch, and it was used quite a bit by lots of boaters who go fishing. This is a nice view along the water's edge of all the available campsites with a beautiful water view. My friends had these sites and they really liked them. Of course, if you like hiking, this is definitely the place to come. This was my favorite hike along the lake's edge with all these trees with the moss hanging down. It was just spectacular. The boardwalk was another great hike. It was an elevated boardwalk that goes deep into the woods, and you can see all kinds of vegetation, and if you're lucky, animals. Speaking of seeing animals, here's an alligator we saw swimming out in the middle of the lake. Keep your eye out. Here are my friends in a truck camper right on the edge of the water with a great water view, and they loved it. We sat there and looked at the water for hours. Nothing better than a campfire with friends. I highly recommend Hardee Lakes Park. It's a great place to come and enjoy nature and relax. It's one of Florida's best hidden secrets.